Robots. Jonathan Emmett. What is a robot? A robot is a machine that does a job for you. Robots can do many jobs. Tiny robots and big robots. This tiny robot is as small as a coin. This robot is bigger than a man. This robot is very strong. What robots look like? Some robots look like people. This robot looks like a man. Some robots look like animals. This robot looks like a dog. This robot looks like a shark. What robots do? Some robots go to places where people can't go. Some robots go to the bottom of the sea. This robot dives deep. Or to another planet, like Mars. These robots are on Mars. Some robots go into danger. Some robots go inside volcanoes. And some robots look for bombs. Some robots work hard. These robots are building a car. And some have fun. This robot wants to win. Inside a robot, there is a camera. The robot uses this to see. A motor. This makes the robot move. An arm. The robot can pick things up with this. Computer. This is the robot's brain. It tells the robot what to do. Workbook. Before you read, look at the cover, answer the questions below, and circle the correct letter. Number 1. What is a robot? A machine. B, a human. C, an animal. Number 2. What do you think a robot needs to move? A, water. B, food. C, a motor. 2. Copy the title. Robots. Key story words. Fill in the blanks to complete the words. Look at the pictures for clues. Number 1. What is this a picture of? I think it's a shark. Number 2. I think this is a volcano. Number 3. I think this is Mars. Number 4. A robot. Number 5. Coin. Label the parts of the robot and use the words from the box. Arm, computer, camera, and motor. Don't forget you can look back at an earlier page in the book to find the answers. Key story sentences 1. Unscramble the sentences and rewrite them to match the text. People, robots like, some look. Remember to look for the capital letter to start your sentence and the full stop to end your sentence. Some people look like robots. Number 2. This like robot a man looks. This robot looks like a man. Number 3. Like robots, animals look some. Some robots look like animals. Number 4. This dog. Robot-like looks. This robot looks like a dog. Match the beginning of each sentence with its ending to match the text. Number 1. Some robots go to places B where people can't go. Some robots go to the bottom of the sea. Number 3. Some robots look for bombs. Some robots work hard and some have fun. Some robots go inside volcanoes. Key story sentences 2. Match each sentence to the correct picture. Number 1. This robot is looking for a bomb. Number 2. These robots are building a car. D. 3. This robot looks like a person. A. Number 4. These robots are having fun. B. Tick the correct sentence to match each picture. This tiny robot is as small as a coin. This tiny robot is as big as a dog. I think the first sentence. Number 2. This robot looks like a cat. This robot looks like a dog. Sentence 2. Some robots go to the bottom of the sea. Robots cannot swim in the sea. I think the first sentence. Robots cannot go into space. Some robots go to Mars. I think the second sentence. All robots work hard. Some robots have fun. I think some robots have fun. Reading comprehension. True or false? Write T for true or F for false. Robots do many different kinds of jobs. True. Robots are always bigger than people. False. We use robots to go to places that are difficult for people to go to. True. Robots can't work on Mars. False. Some robots can play football. True. Reading comprehension 2. Write the answers to these questions. What is a robot? Number 2. Where can robots go? Number 3. What do robots look like? Number 4. What can robots do? Have some fun with English. Help the robot find the volcano in the center of the maze. Number 2. Find and circle 7 words in the word snake. Design your own robot. What can it do? Write about your robot. So, draw a picture of your robot, one that you think of, and then write about what it can do. Tick the task that you think robots will help us do in the future. Take a shower. Do our homework. I hope not. Drive our cars. Go shopping. Wash our clothes. Teach in our schools. I hope not. I like to be your teacher. Okay, test your English. Tick the correct sentence in each pair. Robots do not look like animals. Some robots look like animals. 2. Robots stay away from danger. Some robots go into dangerous places. 2. Complete the sentences. Some robots look like blank. Some robots go inside blank. The blank makes a robot move. Some robots can blank. Congratulations! You have completed robots. Go to page 204 to get your reward certificate.